Hello there, welcome to our channel Tutorial Guru again. Hope you are doing fine. I'm back with another tutorial video, and today I'll be showing you how to manage your push notifications in your TikTok app. And now without further ado, let's start right in the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Okay, now let's manage our push notifications. To do that, let's go to our TikTok app first. And after you have open your TikTok, you will be landed on this interface, and now you can see the profile button on the bottom right corner of your phone. Just tap there. Let's go to our profile, and after landing on this page, you can see the three line icon on the top right corner of your phone. Tap there, and a bunch of options has appeared out. Tap on the settings and privacy options, and you can see after landing on this interface, you can see there are categories: account and content and activity. Under the content and activity category, you can see the push notifications option. Just tap on there, and now these are all the interactions or push notification which you are receiving from TikTok app. Now to manage the push notifications means that we are going to choose only our preferred notifications from over here. Now if we want to be notified of only likes, then we turn this all off, and we only enable the likes button. Now to turn off, just tap on the toggle icon like this. If it's turned gray, it's off. If it's turned green, it's turned on. Then if you don't want the comments notification, just tap on the comments notification, and you will not be receiving the comments notification. So on or any of these notifications, if you want to turn them off, just tap on the toggle icon on the right side of the option. Then those notifications will not be available to you on TikTok. Since I don't want to notified when reposts are appearing, then I'll be tapping off on the toggle icon of the reposts. So I also don't want to be notified when someone mentions me or someone tags me, so I'll be turning that off. And this is it, guys. To manage your push notifications in your TikTok app is this easy. And if you have any questions or confusion relating the topic, don't hesitate to comment in the comment section below. Thank you, guys.